In this video, we will learn how to add security camera to AiDot app. Although I am showing you to add this model of security camera, but it doesn't matter what model of security camera you are using or what brand of security camera you are using. If the security camera uses the app AiDot, then this video is for you. So let's get started. In step 1, we will learn how to install the app AiDot and how to create an account. I'm showing you for both Apple iPhone and Android phone. So in iPhone, go to App Store, and in Android phone, go to Play Store. Then search AiDot, this one. Similarly here, AiDot app. Here, now install. So the app is installing in both devices. So it's open. Hello, it's installing here. Yep, still going on. Open. Yeah. If you are a user, if you are already a user, then you can sign in with your email address and password. But if you are a new user, then we need to create an account. So select your country. Yeah. Now the process is same for both Apple iPhone or Android phone. So I am doing only in iPhone and keeping the Android phone away. So we need to enter our email address and password. We need to create a password. Yeah. Then check those two and now create account. Now they sent a verification code to my email address. Now we need to check our email for the verification code. So if I check my email, this is the verification code. It is 272305. Now verify. Yep, it's so the account creation is done. In step 2, we will learn how to add the device to the app. So this part will go here and the other part will go the power outlet. Yeah, it got the power. Now we can add device. Now you can choose the device that you want to add. I'm showing you this camera, but it doesn't matter what model of camera you are using, just pick your one. So this is the surveillance camera, so this one, and this is M3. It's written M3 here. Okay, M3. So I'm choosing M3. Now continue. Now we need to scan the QR code on your device. So on the device there's a QR code, so scan it. Yeah, now it says
welcome, please have the camera in the app.
Green light is flashing. You can see the green light is flashing. Now we need to choose our Wi-Fi name and its password. So I'm entering my Wi-Fi password. Done. Then next. Now we need to hold this QR code in front of this camera lens. Yeah, just hold this way.
Scanning successful.
Yeah,
Wi-Fi is connecting.
It says scanning successful. I heard scanning successful. Check mark it. Then next. So waiting to connect.
Adding procedure successful.
Yeah, now you can rename it. So suppose I can give its name test1. Save. Next. Skip for now. Yep, this is the camera. Yeah, it got. Now the question is how we can use it. So to record a video, you can press this one, hello, then it will record the video. To take a picture, press this one, yeah, it take a picture. If you want to talk to someone in front of this camera, then yeah, press and hold this one. You can talk. And if you want to make some alarm sound, then press this one, turn on. Yeah, it will make alarm. And this is the SD card. You can insert the SD card here. I already show you SD card here. And to see the recorded video, you can click here. Yeah, now I don't have an SD card, that's why it's not showing. And you can check all of your information in album. Yeah, I made this video. So that's it. If for some reason camera doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, then we need to reset the camera. Now the question is how we can reset the camera. So for the camera, if you look on back, so there you can open this part here. So there is a micro SD card slot here, and this is the reset button. So if you want to save the video in micro SD card, then you can insert the micro SD card here, and to reset the camera you can press and hold this one, this button, press and hold this button.
Restoring factory settings successful.
So it says factory setting is successful. Now you can try again, and very highly likely the camera will be connected. Thanks for watching.